Hello and welcome to the Ditto educational series that will provide you with the skills you need to become a Forex trader. In this episode, we will discuss the process of making passive income through Forex trading, the methods for doing so, and if it is a viable solution for you, as well as the risks entailed in doing so. Firstly though, what is the difference between active and passive income? Passive income is a regularly generated income that requires minimal to no effort on the part of the investor or passive trader to earn. Gains on stocks, interest, commodities, gambling profits, and capital gains are some examples of passive income. Some of the rules surrounding the definition of this income, especially tax-wise, will vary from country to country, so you will need to check which could apply to you when generating passive profits. Active trading is the process in which a trader will spend a great deal of time analyzing markets and economic data in order to find opportunities to enter a trade with the purpose of generating profits. Now, passive trading differs as you're looking to generate an income from trading, but don't actually want to put in the effort of learning and actively trading the Forex market. For this sacrifice of effort, you may be required to pay a monthly fee or be required to split your profits based on a pre-decided ratio. Unlike active traders, your passive income will fit around your lifestyle rather than dictate it. What are the pros and cons of passive income? Before we look at some of the methods to earning passive income, let's briefly discuss the pros and cons, as it is important you understand both the rewards and the risks at hand. Firstly, the limited amount of time you will need to commit is an obvious benefit with passive income. Although deciding on a provider can be time-consuming, it's generally brilliant for people with no time but money to invest. Passive trading can sometimes result in a slower stream of profit compared to actively trading on your own terms with proper strategy and risk management. There is also a danger that you could neglect monitoring your passive income streams. This could result in losing out on potential profits, for instance, if you were part of a signal service which traded timeframes unsuitable to your lifestyle or during unsociable hours. Alternatively, psychologically speaking, you may spend too much time worrying about positions and excessively interfere, diminishing your returns. The Forex world is also littered with scams regarding passive income, particularly in reference to social media. Ponzi schemes and subpar signal services, to name a couple, are rife and millions are lost daily to such scams. So how can we generate passive income? One option is automation. To make trading passive income easy, so to speak, some turn to automated trading software, sometimes referred to as EA or expert advisor. When used correctly, automated systems may enable you to generate substantial profits consistently. Human beings can only take advantage of a limited number of trade opportunities per day due to time being a factor. A sophisticated algorithm or EA can automatically enter and exit positions as soon as a predetermined criteria has been met. This criteria is programmed into the EA by better minds where Forex is concerned. Obviously, not every EA you come across is a winner, and you should monitor your trades with very low to no risk, as well as viewing its historical data. Even though you may understandably be skeptical of these systems, approximately 75% of all trades made on the New York Stock Exchange and the Nasdaq now originate from these algorithms. It's big business, big money, and serious institutions need this software more than human traders in order to take advantage of every opportunity. Always do your research and check the reviews before you invest in any EA. You can never be too cautious when it comes to your finances, and don't take someone at their word. Operate on facts and evidence when deciding which to use. Once you have chosen your trading software, you will need to monitor it daily. Creating a checklist of your trading parameters is often a good place to start. You may want to consider checking your parameters are in order, functioning, and perhaps even switch your EA off and close out positions before high-impact news. If you are already a successful trader, you may consider programming your own EA in order for you to take a more relaxed approach to trading or trade alongside your parameters. Coding can be relatively simple for these, but you may want to hire a programmer to make sure everything is correct and help you through the development stage. Of course, you will then need to backtest your EA on a demo account to ensure no mistakes are made for an extended period. Next, we have copy trading. Another method for passively obtaining income can be done through copy trading. Rather than devoting your time and effort into developing your own Forex strategy, you can benefit from the success and experience of existing experienced traders. There are many websites you can choose a copy trader from, and then a program will mimic that trader's behavior with your own account. As always, the platform or trader will take a percentage fee or subscription cost, as anybody that can make you money deserves to be paid for their efforts. As always, there are risk factors to consider. You must be prepared mentally that due to the uncertainty of the Forex market, you could lose some, if not all, of your capital you initially invested. Even a few losses can throw you psychologically if you are not prepared for that scenario. Always choose your trader carefully. A very aggressive trader may make some short-term superb gains, but on the reverse side they could blow your account in several days. Always consider their trading approach. Check their recent trade history and see what people have said in the reviews to gauge an idea of the trader. Ideally, you want steady and consistent results with minimized drawdown percentage. Now, while this is not strictly passive, I feel it should be included as a lot of the thought process is taken away from the client traders. Forex signal services are massively popular, especially on social media, and as I mentioned previously, they are also a pitfall for you to potentially be scammed through investing or through poor service. The advice is always the same in this sense. You should do your homework and trade with reputable services that provides historical trading data. Even though you will be manually placing trades, the hard work is done for you. So when you choose a signal service, you must choose one that suits your lifestyle in terms of trading frequency and time. The risk aspect is determined by you, which can be a positive or negative aspect. Please refer to our video on trade psychology for more about creating a plan surrounding trade mentality. Lastly, I would like to say, all of these passive income opportunities can serve to educate as well as turn a regular profit. If you can actively watch a successful trader place trades, it can serve to show you how a successful trader acts and reacts to the ever-changing market conditions. In conclusion, passive income is a very attractive prospect, as who would not like the idea of generating an income while you sleep or relax at home? We must always remember that everything in Forex is risk versus reward and consider the potential downfalls involved with any venture. Passive income stream within the Forex world does not mean that it eliminates the need to be educated in Forex. In fact, I would say it highlights how you need to know and understand its key principles so you may make an informed decision that protects you and your capital. You should always aim to be as safe as possible when partaking in risk-based investments. I hope you have found our discussion today informative, ladies and gentlemen. Please sit back and contemplate what you have learned here today. And remember, contemplation is the key to learning. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed our educational sessions, then please like and subscribe.